to be making a beautiful natural soap today. This is going to be my lavender patch. It's a goat's milk soap, and this is an infusion of alkanet and madder root that I've had going for about a month and a half now. I've had it sitting in a nice toasty, my sunroom, sitting in there getting infused, and this is the olive oil blend. Actually, it's olive oil sunflower blend that I'm going to be using in my recipe. And the fragrance is an essential oil blend of lavender, a tiny touch of patchouli, and a tiny touch of cedarwood. Those three together, I'm not a big fan of either one of them on their own, and I know some people love them, some people don't, but blended together, it just is beautiful. The cedarwood and the patchouli just make it just earthy and just a wonderful scent. So that is that, and that's why it's so dark, because of the patchouli in there. And then you can't really see it, but I went ahead and put purple Brazilian clay in there, and that's going to add some nice silkiness to the soap as well. And I like to use that or some type of clay to help anchor the essential oils. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to the rest of my oils and wait for everything to come to the right temperature, and we'll be back in just a minute to make the soap.